an minus 1 minus 1. So AP is a sequence of numbers in which all the terms are obtained by adding a fixed number to its previous one. And that fixed number is known as what? What's that fixed number is known as?
Common difference.
Common difference. And that common difference is denoted by which letter?
D.
D. Common difference is denoted by D. And first term is denoted by, first term is A.
A.
And nth term is AN. Nth term. Nth term is AN. Common difference is D. Common difference equal to D. And D is obtained by AN minus N minus 1. Or D can be A3 minus A2. Or D can be A10 minus A9. When we subtract A10 minus A9, we will get D. Okay. Now, nth term formula is A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, this much we have studied last day. Now we have some more questions. Right, next question. Question is, check the following are APs. Check whether the following are APs.
Ma'am, our question was find that first common difference following AP that we are doing third. The questions was there. That we are doing up to there we take it.
Okay. Okay. Now next question we will do, fourth one. Check whether the following are AP. That you didn't complete third questions. That you can do. You can complete. Okay. Check whether.
No, the question is
Which one?
With the questions in that only can do two questions.
Read those questions. Read.
My first question I will say 3 1 minus 1 -5 -1 3 7.
Okay. Question is write the first term and common difference. No.
Yes,
did you complete that, or you want to discuss here? What did you say? I can't hear. I can hear. What you are saying?
Complete the questions.
The question is 3 1 minus 1 minus 3 etc. This is the first question. Question, find first term and common difference. Only that. Find first term and common difference. So first term is 3. Common difference is 1 minus 3 minus 2. Third question, 1 by 3. Third question, 1 by 3. 5 by 3, 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, etc. So A is 1 by 3. D is equal to, D is 5 by 3. Second term minus first term is 4 by 3. 5 by 3.
After 13 by 3. After 13 by 3.
13 by 3. No problem. It is a sequence now. So anyway, we just need two numbers to get its common difference. Okay. Now, next one, check whether the following are check whether the following are AP. Then following are AP. If find the common difference and write, check whether the following are AP and write its next three terms. Write its next in also write next three terms. So you have to find whether the given numbers are in AP. Also, you must write the next three terms of the AP. Also write the next three terms. Check whether the following are AP. Also write the next three terms. Okay, shall I start the questions? First one.
Yes,
First one, 2, 4, 8, 16. 2, 4, 8, 16, etc. You have to say whether it is an AP or not. All of you check and say, is this an AP? Why no?
And 2 and 4.
Here common difference is 4 minus 2, 2. 8 minus 4, 4. There is no common difference. There is no common difference. Therefore, we can write this is A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4, etc. No. So we can write A2 minus A1 not equal to A3 minus A2. They are not equal. Therefore, not an AP.
ma'am.
Hmm.
How you get the 2 and 4? Can you explain, ma'am?
Subtract 4 minus 2, 2. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 4. Subtract from the previous one to get D. Take the difference between. Second question, negative 10, negative 6, negative 2, 2, etc. Check whether it is an AP or not.
And it's an AP.
It is an AP. We can check this is A1, A2, A3, A4. A2 minus A1, D. A2 minus A1 is minus 6 minus minus 10. Minus 6 plus 10, 4. Now A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2 also minus 2 minus minus 6. Minus 2 plus 6. Again 4. One more we can check. A4 minus A3. Just check. 2 minus minus 2. 2 plus 4. All are 2 plus 2. All are 4. Therefore, the given numbers are in AP. Therefore, the given numbers are in AP. The given numbers are in AP. And next, the common difference is 4. The next three terms are minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2. Next 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. The next three terms, write the next three terms of the list. Up to 2, it was given. So common difference is 4. So 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Next is this one. 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, etc. Check whether it is an AP or not. If it is an AP, what is D? All of you type your answers. 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2 is the question. Check whether it is an AP. If it's so, find D and type your answers, all of you. Sean, Lakshmi, Emrin, Delvin, Rachel, Devasena, Shania, Krishna, Ishnu, Aaron,
You can show the students.
2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, etc. 2, comma, 5 by 2, comma, 3, comma, 7 by 2, etc. First of all, you check whether it is an AP. Also say what is D. All of you got question? Do it. Type your answers. Okay, Delvin. AP, good. Okay, correct, Delvin. Correct. Others? Type your answers. Hmm? All of you type. Gauri, type your answer. Aaron, strong. Aaron, strong. Check. D is from the second one, you have to subtract first one. Or from the third one, subtract second one. So, well, what's your answer? Okay, Gauri. Okay, correct. So, well, type your answer. Shania, wrong. Kshetra, you're correct. Check, Shania, check. Yes, yes, Maria, you can rejoin. Correct, Srihari, correct. Srihari, the next three numbers, I think you have made a mistake. Last number. Check. Okay, how can we find D? 5 by 2 minus 2. 5 by 2 minus 2 is 5 minus 4 by 2. That is 1 by 2. Now 3 minus 5 by 2 is 6 minus 5 by 2. 1 by 2. One more we will do. 7 by 2 minus 3. 7 minus 6 by 2. Again 1 by 2. So it's an AP. It is an
Two
AP
minus
with the common difference 1 by 2.
equal to
Okay.
3.
So for writing the next three terms, 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. Next term is
And first,
7. 7 by 2
and
plus
first,
1 by 2 is 8 by 2, 4.
I go to
Then 4 plus 1 by 2 is 9 by 2. 9 by 2. Then 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 10 by 2. That is 5. Okay. So next three terms are 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. Now add 1 by 2 with 7 by 2. 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 8 by 2, 4. 4 plus 1 by 2 is 9 by 2. Again 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 10 by 2. How many of you got correct answer? Raise your hands. D is 1 by 2. Okay, we will do one more question. Okay. Is there any doubt? Need to explain this? Just subtract second term minus first term. 5 by 2 minus 2. 1 by 2. Or 3 minus 5 by 2. That also 1 by 2. Or 7 by 2 minus 3. That also 1 by 2. So D is 1 by 2. Now write next three terms. Up to 7 by 2 they are given. Now 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 4. 4 plus 1 by 2, 9 by 2. 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 5. That's 10 by 2. Hmm. Yes.
that first one, first one, first D that 1. 5 by
First
2
D.
minus 2 is equal to 1.
5 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is
5
1 by
by
2.
2. 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2. I was 1 by 2.
Okay. Okay. Next question.
I mean, I had a network problem. That's why I was wrong.
Okay.
Last step again.
Same way. 7 by 2 minus 3. That also 1 by 2. So AP is, it is an AP with a D equal to 1 by 2. 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, 4, 9 by 2, 5 are the list of numbers. Next one is 1, 3, 9, 27, etc. Check, all of you do it. Check first of all, what about the common difference? If it is an AP, find next three terms.
It's not an AP.
Not an AP, yes. Because 3 minus 1 is 2. But 9 minus 3 is 6. Therefore, it is not an AP. It is not an AP. Some more examples. A, 2A, 3A, 4A, etc. All of you check. These are A1, this is A1, this is A2, A3, A4, etc. It is. Yes, yes, Sovel with
Can
D.
you see me?
Hmm? Yes, Shania, what's its D? Ah, correct. Okay, correct.
Can you see me?
Hmm? Yes, Karthik.
I said, can you see me? I had network problem. Can
Okay.
you show the fourth one?
Board, you want to see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Here we have 2a minus a, 3a minus a, 3a minus 2a, 4a minus 3a, a. So therefore, it is an AP and D equal to A. Right, next three terms, A, 2a, 3a, 4a, 5a, 6a, 7a, etc. Next one, next is 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, etc. Try 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, etc. All of you try. Actually, this is our A1. This is A2, A3, A4. Okay, all of you find A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. Find and check whether they are equal or not. If it is an AP, write its D also. Correct, Minha. Type your answers. Okay, Shania, correct. All of you, if you get the answer, type it.
How to miss that root?
Mm. Correct, Delvin. Try, all of you try. Okay, Sania. Sania, you are correct. So A2 minus 7 means 3 plus root 2 minus 3
Minus 3 is equal to
root 2.
1
And A3 minus A2, 3 plus 2
plus
root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. That is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2 by removing the bracket. So 3 get cancelled. Root 2 minus root 2 is again root 2. And 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2 is equal to 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. 3 again cancel. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is root 2. Hence, it is an AP. Therefore, it is an AP. The next three terms are just add root 2. So, it will be 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. The next term will be what? 3 plus
4 root 2.
4 root 2. 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2, 3 plus 6 root 2. 3 plus 6 root 2. Okay. Next one. We are doing so many examples on AP. So after that, after this, you must thorough with what is the structure of an AP. How it's D, what is A, how can we form an AP, how can find D of any common difference of an AP. You must be thorough with because I'm doing many examples. Okay. Next one. Next question. Question number what? Question number is 7. Question number 7. The question is -1/2. Check it is an AP or not. If it is an AP, what is D? Is this an AP? 1 by 2, negative 1 by 2, negative 1 by 2,
Yes, ma'am.
negative 1 by 2. Yes, it is an AP with a D. Yes, D with D equal to 0. The next terms also negative 1 by 2, negative 1 by 2, negative 1 by 2. We are adding 0 to all these terms. Next one, root a square a cube, a square a cube, a raised to 4, etc. a square a cube, a raised to 4, etc. All of you switch on your videos. Chairman sir will come now. All of you switch on. Otherwise, you will get some punishments. You will lose your attendance. Saeed, Emrin, Sean, Angelo. Yes, Karthik, it is an AP. Is it? Sovel, is it an AP? What about others? Minha saying not an AP. Confusion with. Some are saying AP, some are saying not an AP. All of you check. Shani also saying it's an AP. Others, all of you check your answer, type your answers. Hmm? Gauri, Shatra also saying it's an AP. Somebody need, Rachel, it's the question. A square, A cube, A raised to 4. Shatra also saying it is an AP. Others, all of you type.
Ma'am, 8 question, can you show 8 question? 8 question.
Okay, we will check what about this sequence.
Ma'am.
D equal,
One or a
a square, a cube, a raised to 4, etc. So D equal to a square minus a. This we can write when we take a outside, it is a into a minus 1 we can write. Nothing else. Only this much we can do. Next is a cube minus a square. A cube minus a square can be written as, we can take a square outside. Again a minus 1 in bracket. Next is a raised to 4 minus a cube. This is a cube we can take outside a minus 1 bracket. They are not equal. This is not equal to this. Okay. Here a2 minus a1 not equal to a3 minus a2. Hence it is not an AP. It is not an AP. See, a square minus a. It's not equal to a cube minus a square. Both are different. So it is not an AP. All of you correct. If you have made mistake, you correct it. Ninth question. Ninth question. Root 2, root 8, root 18, root 2, root 8, root 18, etc. Root 32 also. Next term also. One more term we will write. Root 32, etc.